Moving forward, let's look at a few other flaws commonly seen in the way we think and argue. One such common flaw is called red herring. Do you know what red herring means? Red herring is something that distracts us from the actual argument with some information that seems relevant but is actually not related to the argument at hand. Difficult questions in critical reasoning try to throw you off track by introducing concepts which trap you into thinking on the basis of what you already know or bring in biases rather than sticking with the factual information given. The law should be enforced regardless of whether the government can cover up the deficit caused by people breaking the law. To say that government has other sources of revenue to cover up the deficit is the red herring because it simply distracts the person by drawing their attention towards that. When we consider whether a policy should be made or not, we should consider the pros and cons of the policy. However, once it is made, people cannot be given the option of deciding whether it applies to them or not. Isn't this topic fun because of the sheer relevance of it to our everyday lives? Let's move on and look at another common flaw in the critical reasoning of us humans. Argumentum ad populum refers to the assumption that a particular argument is valid simply because many people think so. This reasoning is improper because the opinion of many people is not a logical criterion to determine the actual validity of any argument. For example, let's look at this statement. The claim made by green earth activists about the adverse effects of global warming is not valid because most of the people in China say that they do not feel any difference in the climate and are not affected by it. This argument is faulty because the opinion of the people cannot determine the validity of an argument which is based on scientific facts.